Hey there buddy, if you're new to this channel, my name is John and welcome to my channel. Make sure to click subscribe so that you will be part of my 20 subscribers. Well, I have to be patient because good-looking person needs to be patient, especially when it's me. For today's video, my dad and I will going to create a homemade tripod because I don't have one and I am sick of... Is that a chalk? Just sit back, relax, and have a great day. Hey there buddy, I want you to meet my father. He is the most creative, inventive, resourceful, and very artistic person that I've met in my entire existence. He is known to create anything from scratch, and this tripod is no exception. The fact that he created our entire house on his own is such an amazing thing for me. He is such a blessing and a very great father. 3 weeks ago, I got into vlogging and I don't know where to place my phone and I'm so worried about it falling. That's why my father is there to help me. I can't thank him for supporting me in everything that I do because he is so supportive and creative. I think I inherit that creativity that he had because my grandfather is also an artist. Both my father and him loves to play with shapes, angles, and sizes. They build their own houses, create their own furnitures. My aunt is also a hairdresser and she creates masterpieces every day. I grew up watching them create things very amazingly and wonderful, and I kinda like being inspired by how they worked. In creating the tripod, he grabbed 4 pieces of wood with same measurements and constructed it into a triangular shape. He then added the phone holder and the light holder at the center and at the top. I thought that he won't paint it, but he ended up painting it, and I'm so grateful because the paint made it look more cool. I can say that I can also create everything from scratch, and I'm so thankful for him for helping me achieve that. Because of the creativity that I inherit from him, I can make anything I want. I can design anything I want, and that's the most wonderful gift that I received. The reason why I beg him to create a tripod for me instead of buying a tripod is the transportation. We lived in a place where supermarkets and malls are not accessible. Therefore, I need to think about another alternative to use. This is something that I won't forget forever, and I have a great time with my dad, and we talk a lot. There is a very inspiring quote from him, which is, "Education doesn't matter as long as you don't know how to make plans." And you have to use the education that you've learned from school to inspire others and to make things on your own. And that really hits me a lot. This is the finished product, and I'm happy about how it turned out. I will use it in everything, and have a great day. Bye. Alright, that's it. That's the video. If you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below to let me know what you think. Once again, have a great day ahead and enjoy your day. Make your day progressive. Don't let negativity bring you down. Always fight for what you think is right. Just always remember that all lives matter and we all need to be happy. And if anyone will stop us from being happy, slap their faces. Or even touch them hard. I'm just kidding. Of course, I will promote safe environment here to my channel. This channel is aimed for fighting or anything like that, but I recommend you to be kind. If anyone will bring you down, just let them. Because according to some quote that I've read somewhere, if people are trying to bring you down, I'm not sure. If people are trying to bring you down, it means that you're above them. That's what I'm talking about. So always remember that you deserve to be here, and welcome to my channel. See you in the next vlog.